Going on, guys? Michael here with Babe Approved Rides. I'm back here with Burt, and if you haven't seen the last video where Burt was delivered to us, be sure and check up here. Click on that and watch that first. But we're back with Burt here today, so I've got a whole bucket of goodies right here for Burt, and we're going to go ahead and get started on that and do some little simple tips that can really help clean up your C10 and give it that little extra pop. Alright, so one of the first things that I noticed in this truck was the bow tie was all faded out. Can't have that. So I went ahead and popped over to our friends at LMC, picked us up a replacement bow tie. We're gonna go ahead and get this one cleaned up so we can get the new one on. So what I got here, I've just got a little rubbing alcohol pad, glass cleaner, something, you know, get it clean. Make sure there's no residue. Wait, the old one looks like it might come off cleanly. Let's try that first. Looks like it's already been replaced once, so we're gonna go ahead and clean this up and get our new one on. Just want to get the best mating surface we can get on this. I think that looks pretty good. Just gonna pull a little layer of 3M off the back. Gosh, you guys gotta love this 3M tape, man. It works so good. And voila, it looks like there's a little top layer too, so I'm gonna pull that off. Voila. All right, so this next piece is the most important piece on this truck. And if you boys have a square body, you know exactly what I'm talking about. The 99-cent cup holder from O'Reilly. I don't know, I'm thinking maybe like right here. Ooh, that looks nice. Also, when did these become $5? Holy. Yeah, that works. I like that. That's nice. All right, so this next thing is not really a huge deal, but like it's missing. And if you've watched this channel at all, you know I can't have that. So, the dome lens is missing. So picked up one of these. This is actually off of Amazon, and we're gonna get her popped in real quick. And next up, where are the door locks? Where are the door locks? Just popped on over to LMC, no big deal. And that might be why there's no door lock. Uh-oh, the threads might be iffy. Don't make me break out the Gorilla Glue already. Because I will do it. Y'all really got me out here with the Gorilla Glue already. Close your eyes. We're gonna give that a go, see if that works. Alright, so this next thing's more annoying than anything, but like, can't have it. Somebody lost a clip. Boom. Moving on to the bed of the truck. As we talked about, this is actually the original bed wood in this truck, so I've decided I just want to try to maintain it as best as possible. So some of you guys that have been around the wood beds for a long time, you know this, and some of you newer guys, hopefully you learned something here, but the boiled linseed oil is great to just help preserve that wood and keep everything, let's just say, moist. God, that sounds dirty. But it keeps everything from, you know, drying out, and it really helps the wood, and it gives it a nice shine too. So a little bit goes a long way here, and I'll kind of show you what I'm talking about. This wood's a little dry, so I'm gonna lay it on here a little bit to start, and then I'll ease back. And again, this wood is, you know, really used, so what we're trying to do here is just get some elasticity back into the wood. This is actually what I keep on Barry's wood as well, because it's an unfinished wood, and I just do this maybe once or twice a year, and it really helps. All right, so I just finished up applying the first coat. I ended up throwing it on here kind of heavier than I normally do, simply because the fact that this wood is dry, and it's 51 years old. So I kind of laid the hammer down on it a little bit more than I normally would. Like you can see, this is still wet here. That side's already drying. But just trying to get a little bit of life in it, and you know, just get it to last. So wood feels strong though, it's not weak, and all we're trying to do here on this is just preserve it a little bit. So this linseed oil is a great tool.